Imagine launching a new product this weekend and having every single visual done in an hour. Product photos, homepage banner, even a storyboard for your first ad. Without Photoshop, without a designer, just this one button inside Google Gemini. In this video, we're going to show you 5 Nano Banana tricks that real e-commerce brands are already using to sell more, test ideas faster, and look way bigger than they actually are. If you're a complete beginner, we'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to type to get started. But we're also mixing in the newer features, like doodle-based edits and Nano Banana Pro's smarter image control. So if you're already a bit experienced, you'll still discover brand new ways to use it for your benefit in your business. So what actually is Nano Banana? It's Google's AI image model inside the Gemini app that lets you generate images from text, edit your existing photos, keep characters and products consistent across scenes, and even blend multiple images together. Make sure you stick around until the end, because we're not just showing you cool AI tricks, we're showing you how to plug all of this into a real e-commerce store and actually start making money with it. Before we dive into the fun stuff, let's cover the basics. Open up the Gemini app or head to gemini.google.com on your browser. Look for the Tools menu and select Create Images. You'll see 3 options here: Fast, Thinking, and Pro. Now, you may be wondering what is the difference. Here are the 5 most important things you need to know. Speed versus quality. Fast mode is exactly what it sounds like. It provides you with near-instant results, so this is great for trying ideas quickly. Pro and Thinking take a bit longer, but the output is very polished and production-ready. Resolution and detail. Fast mode generates images up to 2K in resolution, which is fine for most things, but if you need sharper details, Pro and Thinking go up to 4K. Input references. This is how you show Nano Banana what style you want. Fast lets you upload up to 4 reference images, but with Pro and Thinking modes, you can upload up to 8. Character consistency. If you're generating images with the same person showing up in multiple scenes, Fast handles up to 3 people. Pro and Thinking bump that up to 5. Prompt reasoning. Thinking mode. Have you ever typed out a super detailed prompt and gotten back something completely wrong? That's where Thinking mode shines. It uses an extended reasoning process to actually interpret complex prompts instead of guessing like the other 2 modes. We're putting the full comparison on screen right now. Feel free to pause and screenshot this if you want to reference it later. Here's the simple prompt formula we'll use throughout this entire video. Create an image of your subject, doing the action or pose, in the scene or setting, in this style, with size or lighting. Here's what this looks like in practice. Say you're selling wireless earbuds. The prompt might be, create a studio product photo of a matte black wireless earbud on pure white background with soft diffused light, centered 1:1 aspect ratio, minimal shadows. Quick heads up, there are daily generation limits, and if you're running Pro mode a lot, it might automatically switch you back to standard Nano Banana. That's totally normal. Trick number 1. You know those clean professional product photos you see on big brand websites? The ones with perfect white backgrounds and studio lighting that look like they cost $1,000 to shoot? You can recreate that entire setup with one prompt. Here's the template. Create a studio product photo of your item on pure white background with soft diffused light, centered, 1:1 aspect ratio, realistic, no extra props. Let's say you're selling jewelry. To recreate this, you'd type in, create a studio product photo of a golden Cuban necklace for women. Pure white background, with soft, diffused light, centered, square format, realistic, no extra props. And here's the magic. You can tweak it with follow-up prompts. Type, make the lighting softer. Show the entire necklace in the shape of a circle, or on a black background. And Nano Banana adjusts the existing image instead of starting over. Want a lifestyle shot instead? Switch your template to lifestyle photo of item being used by your target customer in setting. Bright natural light, Instagram ready. Pro tip. If you already know the aspect ratio, match it to where the image is going. For example, use 1:1 for product pages, 4.5 for Instagram feeds, 9.16 for stories and reels. Put that right in your prompt, and Nano Banana handles the rest. This next one is genuinely wild, and it's one of the newest features in Nano Banana. You can literally draw on your images, like actually scribble on them with your mouse, and Gemini will turn your doodle into a polished visual element. Here's how it works. Generate or upload any image, then click into it to open the edit view. You'll see a drawing tool. Just doodle. Seriously. Draw a rough shape of whatever you want to add, then type a short instruction like, turn this into a product box, or Make this a wooden display stand. Let us show you a real example you can apply for your business if you have an e-commerce store. Say I've got a product photo of a candle and want to mock up packaging. I draw a rough rectangle around the candle, doesn't have to be pretty, and type, turn this scribble into a polished craft paper gift box with a red ribbon and realistic lighting. Instant packaging mockup. This tool is also perfect for concepting landing page layouts, sketching out booth designs before an event, or mocking up packaging concepts. You're basically turning your napkin sketches into presentation-ready visuals. We really do live in the future. And unlike most AI features where you're just typing and hoping, this feels like actual collaboration. You draw what you're imagining, and Nano Banana makes it real. You know how the best brands have that one character or face you recognize everywhere? Think of the Shopify bag or the Duolingo owl or those UGC-style creators that pop up in every brand's ads now. Nano Banana can build that for you. Try a prompt like realistic cartoon fox mascot with round glasses, orange and cream fur, wearing a green apron, consistent design across all scenes. Then you can place that exact character anywhere. Show this fox mascot holding a coffee cup in a cozy cafe setting. Next image. Show this fox mascot waving at the camera against a white background. Same character, totally different contexts. This works for UGC-style human characters too. Create a consistent brand spokesperson look and put them in product demos, testimonial-style shots, or lifestyle scenes. Quick hack, take your base character and ask Nano Banana to render them in different styles. Turn this mascot into a 16-bit video game sprite, or render as a 3D figurine. Same brand persona, totally different format for different platforms. This is how you build brand recognition without a design team. You've probably noticed that the best brands have a look. Every photo, every graphic, every ad, it all feels like the same brand. And Nano Banana can help you do this automatically. Here's how it works. Upload two things: a reference image that represents your brand style, maybe your best performing ad or your mood board, plus a plain product photo you want to transform. Then prompt. Apply the style, color palette, and lighting from this reference image to my product photo. Keep the product identical, only change the aesthetic. See the difference? Same product, completely different vibe. The lighting matches, the color grading matches, even the overall mood matches your reference. This is the fastest way to build a consistent Instagram grid. Last trick, and this one ties everything together. We're going to show you how to create the core visual assets every Shopify store needs, and actually plug them into a real storefront. Let's start with a logo concept. Just to be clear, this is for concepting, not your final vector logo. By the way, a vector logo is built with math instead of pixels, which means you can blow it up to billboard size or shrink it to a favicon, and it stays perfectly crisp. Try. Minimal logo concept for a modern functional drink brand called Zoomies Matcha. Dark green color palette. Simple geometric icon. Flat design style, white background. Generate a few variations. See what direction feels right. Way faster than going back and forth with a designer on initial concepts. Next, your homepage hero banner. This is the first thing visitors see. Prompt. Wide website banner showing matcha drinks on a clean background with soft green gradients. Space on the right for headline text. 16:9 aspect ratio. Modern and minimal. Then collection thumbnails. Flat lay of matcha powder, whisk, and ceramic bowl on pastel green background. Overhead shot, square format, soft shadows. Perfect for your collections page. Now here's the cool part. Download these images, open up your Shopify theme editor, and you can drop them right into your logo slot, your hero banner section, and your collection images. If you don't have a store yet, this is actually the best time to start. Shopify makes it simple to plug these Nano Banana images into a real storefront, from your homepage hero to product pages and email pop-ups. So your AI-generated visuals aren't just sitting in a folder, they're out there making actual sales. We've got our most up-to-date Shopify tutorial linked in the cards above and in the description. And when you're ready to get started, there's a trial link below so you can follow along while you watch. And fun fact, you can generate AI images for free inside of the Shopify admin for your banners, product, and collection pages too. Watch the full tutorial to find out how. And that's it. You just learned how to replace hours of design work with one tool. From instant studio product photos to packaging mockups, from consistent brand characters to full campaign assets, Nano Banana lets your e-commerce brand move way faster without sacrificing quality. Drop a comment telling me which trick you're going to try first. And if you've already been using Nano Banana, share your favorite prompt in the comment section so we can all steal from each other. Check the description for the Shopify trial link if you want to actually plug these images into a real store today and make some real money. And if you want to take your AI toolkit even further, check out our Google AI Studio beginner tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, you'll enjoy that one too. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what topic you'd like us to cover next.